Got him. Got him. That's a nice one. What's catching, guys? Welcome back to another video of JTH Outdoors. And today it's going to be our first annual kayak bass fishing video. It's going to be our first one, guys. That's just straight up nothing but bass fishing. Really looking forward to today. I love bass fishing so much. I hardly ever do it. So, see what we can get into, guys. We're going to get on some fish. Alright, guys. First thing we're going to start off with is Berkeley Chopo with my 7.2 heavy Shimano Zodias and my Shimano Metanium 7-gear ratio. Throw us up against these rocks right here. Probably should get out a little earlier, but did in circumstances, just I couldn't do it. So I'd say top water still might be pretty good. Alright, let's put the top water away. What are we gonna use? We'll try the crankbait. We're about to go up on this rock wall over here. Then there's an old bridge under the water. We're gonna go try to hit with some finesse. And this is my St. Croix Mojo Glass 7.4. It's the cranking rod. And this 7-gear ratio Shimano Chronarch. This is a little shaky head. It's my Bull Bay stealth sniper rod and a Shimano Sustain, the newest version. Let's see here. And I got a 15 pound leader line. Alright, here's my favorite setup. My Shimano Expride 7.6 with my Shimano Curado DC. None of these areas have seemed really good to me. I know I'm gonna go across the lake. There's a point over there I used to catch a lot of bass at. We'll fish a shaky head a little bit over here. You know, I don't know what they want right now. They could want finesse, they could want power, you know, spinner baits, crankbaits. I don't know. I haven't seen any shad bust or anything. Here's another fish that busted. Oh, had one swirl on it. Man, they're not taking it. Oh, man, missed it. Oh, had one swirl on it. Man, they're not taking it. Got him. I knew I'd get one on top. There we go. Little spotted bass. It's not big, but we got one hit on top water. That's all that matters. Thanks, little man. Alrighty guys, we're gonna throw the shaky head a little bit. I switched over, instead of the Guggen, I put power bait hit worm on my shaky head, and I put a little scent on it. Oh, I got one hitting it. He let it go. He let it go. Once we get to this point, then I'm gonna stop and fish it. The heck? Do I got one? I think I got one. Yeah, I got one all right. 3-pounder, what the heck? Promise you ain't that much of a noob. All right, here we go. Here's the money bank. This is what we're wanting right here. There he is. There he is. That's a nice one. No, that's a drum. No. No. Why? Man. Come on. There you go. Alrighty guys, I showed up to this little cove like area right here, and I was talking to my buddy, and all of a sudden I saw some bass jump. So I'm gonna throw his football jig a little bit, and I'm gonna get my topwater back out. We're just gonna go fish the same bank. I saw a few of those nice bass sitting there, so they're... Oh! Got him. Got him. That's a nice one. That's a nice bass, oh my god. Oh my god. That's a nice bass. No way. No way. Oh my god, guys. That's like a 3-pounder. No way. On a football jig too. Look at that. He's, oh my goodness. There's no way. I just caught that. On that football jig. Look at that beautiful fish. Gosh. Let's get this measuring board out. See how big he is. He's 16 inches. Oh my god! No way! Oh, oh my god! Catfish! Oh my goodness! I got this fish here, and my rod tip was just in the water. This dumb channel cat. What do? I'll just let that. I'll let the line out for now. Or no, I'll hold the rod right here. But man, that's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish on a on the jig. Can't believe that catfish grabbed that. The bait's about 2.5. Good tournament fish. Almost a 3-pounder, 282. Can't believe I got that catfish too. Look at that beautiful fish. Let's let her go. There it goes. Let's get this catfish too. Should have brought my live well. I would have kept it. That's funny. That's a nice channel cat. If I had my live well, man, I'd have been keeping that. Alrighty, guys. Got all slimed up from that catfish. That little point. Maybe the, you know, the smaller little points off of little tiny divots in here might be where they're at, because I'm wanting to figure them out. Oh, here we go. Beautiful little cove. Got that one. What is that? Oh my God. That's a, oh my goodness. That's some of the crazy, that's nuts. Caught catfish, bluegill, of course bass. Alrighty guys, we didn't catch nothing back that cove other than that bluegill, but it's pretty back there. Now we're about to go up by where we first started at this morning. Not first started at, but right where I got that first fish this morning. There's one. On the worm. That's a nice one too. Okay, good, I'm recording. Yep, I knew there was gonna be one right there. It's a beautiful fish. I knew I was gonna get one right here. I was really wanting to fish it again. On the which worm is this? Mondo worm, 7-inch nightclub color. So that's 15-incher. Alrighty guys, come here buddy. I'm letting you go, I'm letting you go. There he is. There he goes, right back to that tree. Alright, let's wrap today's video up, guys. Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It was a good day, and I figured things out. That's the one thing about bass fish, you just gotta figure them out. This morning I went, you know, I was thinking, you know, they're gonna be hitting fast baits, spinner baits, crankbaits, tons of top water, but that was not the case. They're a little more finessey today. Got that big one on a jig, got that catfish, which was interesting, and then I got that one on a worm. So they're hitting. We fished probably a good mile of just bank, you know, with spinner bait and a swim jig, and only got a drum, so they weren't hitting fast baits, they were hitting finesse. So hopefully guys, we'll do another bass trip tomorrow, so hopefully get some more guys. But those two we got, they were really nice. I mean, that one was almost a 3-pounder. So let me know in the comments y'all want to see more bass videos, and thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and please make sure to like, subscribe, really appreciate it. Keep catching y'all. See ya.